Good morning, children. Open your Vikas English Conversation, Book B, page number 10. Page number 10. Page number 10. Okay. Last period, children, we learn about some more animals. Some more animals. This one I taught you in last period. Now, today's period, we are learn about some birds. Some birds. Lesson number 8, page number 10, birds. Yes, now everybody knows birds. Yes, no, we see birds every day. Sparrows, crows, yes, no, parrots, pigeons. Yes, no, all these parrots we can see daily near our surrounding. Yes, now in this book we can learn more birds. Okay, see here, birds. Lesson number 8, birds. See, first bird is, yes, peacock, crow, cuckoo, cuckoo is here. This one, crane, penguin, eagle, sparrow, swan, ostrich, pigeon, parrot, duck, owl, and cock. These are the birds' name. Now we have to learn about birds. Okay. Now see first one, peacock. See, very nice peacock, no? Yes, his feather is very nice. Everybody like his feathers. Yes. Then see the spelling of peacock. 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 See on his head what is this? Yes, some feathers also here on his head. Here also very nice color. Yes, no? Peacock. Now here crow. 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 See his color? Black, black, no? Yes, black. Crow. Here, cuckoo. 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 Now here, sparrow. Yes. Sparrow, sparrow. Sparrow, sparrow. Eagle, eagle. Eagle. Yes, penguin. 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 Crane. Crane. This is a crane. He's in, so many times he is in water. We find this bird in water. Yes. And sparrow, crow, cuckoo, yes, we find near our surrounding. And this penguin we can find this penguin in, yes, where is the so many types of cold is there, no? In that area we can find penguin in ice area where ice is falling, no? There we find this penguin. This eagle we can find in, yes, in a jungle, forest. Yes, this is a eagle. Swan, 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 Swan. This swan is like a duck. Duck is a small and swan is a big. Ostrich, 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 ostrich. Here, pigeon. Yes, you know everybody. Pigeon. In our school also, no, pigeon. So many pigeons are there. Pigeon, pigeon. 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 Parrot. 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 Everybody knows this parrot. Yes, green parrot. And his beak is red. Yes, no? Parrot. Parrot. Cock. 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 Here. Owl. 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 Duck. Duck. This is a duck. These are the birds' name. These are the birds' name. Yes, these are the names of birds. See here, some questions are there. Okay, let me read. Which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird. This peacock is our national bird. Yes. Children, last period I taught you about national animal. Yes, tiger is a national animal and peacock is our national bird. Which is a night bird? Which is a night bird? Night bird means that bird is flying or roaming at the night everywhere. Okay. He find his food in a night. Which is a night bird? The owl is a night bird. The owl is a night bird. Owl. Where is owl? Yes, this is owl. He's a night bird. He's searching his food at the night. Yes, in the night, these birds are sleeping on a tree. They are sitting on a tree till sunrise. But this owl is searching his food after sunset in the night. Which is the largest bird? The ostrich is the largest bird. This ostrich is the largest means big one bird. Which birds swim in the water? Yes, in the water, swans, ducks and penguins swim in the water. Duck, this one duck, swan and penguin. They are swim in the water. What color beaks do parrot have? Parrot have red beak. Yes, no, his beak. Like this is a beak. Parrot have red beaks. Parrot have red beaks. Which bird is called the singing bird? The cuckoo is called the singing bird. Cuckoo, this is a cuckoo. This is singing bird. Understood? These are the birds and their information. Understood?